I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. If you could have it all, my empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. I wear this crown of thorns among my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts. I cannot repair. Beneath the stains of time, the feeling disappears. You are someone else, but I'm still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. If you could start again, a million miles away, I would keep myself, I would find a way.